my son. Let's go, let's go. Stay close to Kuya, please. Hi everyone out there. I'm going to take my kids with me to the store. Can you behave, okay, please?
Ew, your breath.
I just brushed my teeth, silly. You have to go with me because I'm going to take you to one of the cheapest store here in Canada. When we are talking cheapest store, it's because it's considered a price. I'm going to show it to you, okay? And this store is, you can find everywhere, every province, every city here in Canada. New immigrants or international students, this is the best place for you to go. Because even me, I'm here long time ago in Canada and that's my favorite store, okay? Because it's a budget store for me. So you stay with me until the end of this video and let's have fun.
Can I make the presents?
Okay, okay. What you okay.
Put your jacket, Melissa.
Okay, go put your winter jacket. Hurry up. I'll see you right there. It's cold outside, guys. Only
Matt,
-2.
you're the one who's cold.
I'm feeling cold, so
No, you're cold.
are you helping your brother, Maya? Thank you so much. You're awesome.
I'm helping my sister.
Yeah. I'm feeling cold. What? What did you say?
Nothing.
You can see, guys, white snow on the road. Yeah? Huh? Yeah, my son is the one who filming me again. Okay.
And the window is kind of dirty.
Oh my God, that's Paul Brown, guys. That's Paul Brown. Is a singer, country singer here in Calgary. Ah. So yeah, we are going to Marlborough Mall, Northeast Calgary. Okay. They closed very early, the mall here in Canada, so it's about 6 p.m. now, so we have only 1 hour left to shopping. That's where we're going, guys. Kuya, hawakan mo to. Kunin mo yan. So guys, you can see the prices here. $1.25. $1. Ziplocs. The price is $3.50. $2. Barbecue. The wet wipes, I need for my day home. Toilet dishes here, $4. Containers, guys, $3.50. This one. $1.50. Huh? Find them? Okay. $1. Yeah? Okay, let's go. Let me see this one first. This one. Oh, it's $4, guys. Yeah, I like this one. It's $4. The highest price in this store is $4. Otherwise, most of the price is like $1.25. Like this one, $1.25. $1.25. These are the $4. You know.
Right here.
Yeah, the wallis $3. Okay. Something to hook. It's $3.
Yeah, it does fit my head.
Yeah, different type of scarf. It's $3. Yeah, dog food. Guys, so everything is in here. Can you call your kuya, please? We need a gloves for him.
Here.
And can you buy one for Morrison too, please? Winter gloves. $4. What you got, Mariah?
Can you open it? I want to try.
Wanna try?
Yeah, this is where you try it.
You
So
cannot
can you-
try.
No, this is where other people try it. That's
Yeah?
why it's a mess. This one is green.
Look at that, girl. Sucks. Oh, yeah. What you get? $1. Yeah, multivitamins. There's the took for babies. What did you guys get, Kuya?
Yeah.
What did you get, Morrison?
We can go buy the one we want.
Okay, go and find. But ano?
We can go find a toy.
But I don't want you just throw it away, ah? What?
Can you buy my toy?
You want to have a toys?
I can have some toys.
You want some toys?
Yes.
$1. Shape for the woman. Shape for the man. This one. Kids underwear. Aww. So cute. Look at that. $2.50. $4. $1.25, guys. Safety pins. These are tablecloth. $4. Going to buy this one here. Okay. Anong kinuha mo?
I get the transformer.
Transformer? How much is that?
What?
That's expensive? How much? Can I see the price?
I don't know.
Ito yung number. Anong price yan?
$2 maybe?
$2? See that? $2.50. Asaan yung pera mo? Where's your money? Huh? You didn't get your money? Huh?
No, you get your money.
I got my money?
Yes.
What will you say to mommy?
Thank you, mommy.
Sigurado ka?
Yes. And you see, it's the cool transformer.
Okay. Oh, toys for kids. What did you get, Mariah and Kuya? I don't know what my kids got. Oh my goodness. I can see yours. What did you put all there?
These are some of the Disney kids, and these are some of ours.
So, my kids bought, they want me to buy for the day home kids.
For us or the day? The presents. For the presents.
No, 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 no. You know what? Just choose the one that you like, and then mommy is going to buy for the day home kids. Because I know which one they like. Kunin mo lang yung gusto mo at saka si ate. Yun lang. $4. Wow, what is this? Like a... $2.40. Wow. More toys, more toys. Toys. Oh, look at this.
Mommy, we can put this in our...
Yeah?
And this is my squishy.
Right. So what did you got, Mariah?
I got slime. And we can share, right? Yeah. With shiny slime. And if you pick a different one, because it's the...
Get only the one you like, guys, okay? Fake flowers. Good for holiday. I'm gonna buy this one. Is $2. Some of the flowery. Yung basket natin nandun lang, oh. A face shield here, $4. Face shield. So I got $78.23 today. So we end up spending $78 today. Mall are closing. Look at that. We're going to Shoppers. So anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you for my next video. God bless everyone. Now you guys have the ideas. If you are new to Calgary, new to Canada, welcome to Canada. See you guys. Bye. Hey guys, say bye.
Bye. Bye, Among Us, guys.
Not. Hey, why you do that? Morrison, let's go, let's go. Stay close to Kuya, please.